Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy Mind Transformation. Today's episode is very important episode wherein we are speaking about the kinds of people who are existing in the society. You see various kinds of people who come across in your life, and some of the people are a kind of people who are always boasting about themselves. So this video is for those people who come to you and they always boast about themselves and always boast about their superiority. So what is this kind of behavior? You might have a question in your mind that why this person is always boasting in front of me. And you may also encounter a kind of a person who is always feeling superior. And also you may encounter a kind of person who is always encountering inferiority in it. So today's video will address what is this inferiority and what is this superiority and how it is turning to be a kind of a problem with people. So what is this inferiority complex as such and what is the superiority complex as such? So this you need to know because this will help you to understand the kind of people who are existing in the society with this kind of behavior. So do you think this is kind of a right behavior of always boasting someone's superiority of oneself to others? Do you think this is a right kind of feeling? You need to ask this question to yourself and the kind of people who are coming into your life. So most of the times we see that there are people who talk about themselves always, great about themselves, that we are great, we are great, we are great. Who are these kind of people? Why they do speak about their greatness and what kind of a complex they have? So what is this complex all about? This is kind of a deformity which consists of mixed emotions and feelings about themselves. I'm only talking about a mixed feelings and a group of feelings and emotions which a person is associating himself with. So this is called as complex. Okay, so you need to understand what is this complex all about, and this is actually a kind of a disorder itself, because at one point of time if you're telling something about yourself of the past, that is okay, I can understand, but every time you're repeating the same thing about your past, it means there is some kind of disorder which people are suffering from. So this kind of disorder or deformity, which we may call, is called a superiority complex or inferiority complex. So how would you address this? How would you understand? So when superiority, see, I'm just talking about normal superiority now or normal inferiority now, and how it is different from that of a complex. So superiority and inferiority. So let us start with inferiority. In inferiority kind of a thing, what is happening is that is always trying to say that, if today I was a better educated person, okay, I would have secured that government job. This is a kind of inferiority, feeling of inferiority. If I would have been more in my capabilities of hardworking capabilities, I would have done better than this person. So this feeling, when you are trying to compare yourself with others, or you are trying to I should not use this word called comparing, or I would say that you're trying to tell something about yourself, and because of one kind of a negative aspect which is there inside you, that is stopping for your progress. Okay, so that is called as inferiority, feeling of inferiority. You say that because I am not well educated, because my stamina or my physical condition is not well, I'm not able to get into that job. If I improve my physical condition or my other capabilities, I would able to get that job. Okay, so this is like a normal feeling of inferiority, wherein you are trying to improve your modes of functioning. Okay, but when it turns into inferiority complex as such, complex is that every point of time when you are facing a failure in your life, you will say that because of this, I am not well. Because of my education is not good, my life is not good. Because I am not looking handsome, I am not getting married. Because I am not, my physical fitness is not so good, I am not getting this job. So the way you are functioning is completely different in a complex kind of a thing. That is called an inferiority complex. So hope you got the point how this complex works. For every negative situation which is arising in your life, you say that this is because of this problem. So do you think you have to overcome this problem? Because this is most of the important things which is happening in people's life. So what is next? Superiority complex, how these people are. The superiority people, these are the people who always try to boast about their past. This is called boasting, continuous boasting. They say that they always try to associate themselves with the people of authority. They say that, I am very much well connected with the ministers. He say that I am very much well connected with the power of people of who are in the power, and people in the power are the people in the authority. They may say that I have a very good connections with so and so person. So they boast. They say that I have a family relationship with so and so person. I roam around with so and so person. And even they talk more about their performances. Okay. They say that I am so skillful that I can associate with anybody and I can take the work out of it. They say that over boasting of their physical capacities, mental capacities. Okay, they'll always speak about their family glory. Okay, they'll talk that we share a very good family glory. We had a very good past, and they always talk about the glories of the past, their achievements of the past. Okay, and the people will say that at one point of time they have achieved a very great thing which nobody can ever achieve. So this is called a feeling of superiority. So when it will turn to complex, superiority is like, oh, you cannot. I'm not telling you not to describe about your family, but always talking about and boasting about the same thing again and again and gaining a strength out of it, power out of it, it will turn into a full grown superiority complex. Okay, you say that I'm a high class man because I'm connected with high class people. Okay, you say that, I'm only wearing a particular brand of t-shirt at the USP. I don't wear any other brand of t-shirt because I like USP t-shirt or some other costly brand which may wear. I only use iPhones. I don't like any other phone, Samsung phones and also I don't like. You say, this is called over boosting of your capacities. You may take a loan and get your iPhone, but you will say that, I cannot use any other phone here. Apart from Mac, I cannot use any other laptop. So this, talking about more about their self beyond their capacities is called boasting. And when it turns into a complex is that, when you are gaining the strength out of it. Why you gain strength of these people? Why these people gain strength is that these people have low self-esteem. They cannot survive by their own representation. So they boast. And even if they face some small situation in life, for example, they have been faced with some kind of a calamity in their life or in kind of a difficult situation in their life, they gain strength out of it. They tell you, because I was there, I am able to deal with situation in a very different way. If any other person was there in my place, he would have thrashed, he would have gone. But because it is me, I am able to overcome this problem. This is called self-boasting. Now, why he does it? Because he is gaining power out of it, he is gaining strength out of it, he is gaining some kind of boosting out of it. So, some kind of chemicals are released in his brain. He is feeling a great amount of significance. So, these people have now led into a complex kind of a situation called superiority complex. You can tell some great things about you, that is very good, but it should not be a part of your vocabulary every time you interact with people. Then it has turned to be a complex. Then it is a deformity, because you have a mixed group of emotions by which you are making your representation. You can represent yourself very normally, in a very normal way, plain way, in a very welcoming way. Your way you represent yourself to others should not be a disturbing part to others' personality as well. So if you're talking about your wealth, you're talking about your physical condition or financial condition or your social circle, it is good. You may talk at one time, when you're meeting one new people or you're connecting with some people in the society. Yes, you might have told it one time, but every time you meet them, you tell that, today I have meeting with Chief Minister. Nobody is asking you. Nobody has asked you that. And what is the problem it will encounter is that, when you keep on boasting about your connections with the people, people will also develop a lot of expectations from you. If you say that I am so connected with so many people of authority and power, people will have a lot of expectations. And what will happen is that you cannot fulfill expectations of all the people who are meeting. So the people who are actually not functioning properly because of their inferiority complex has to change their feeling of inferiority complex and use it in a way that they can function properly in their life. And for the people who are using the superiority complex just to inflate themselves, okay, they should actually turn to be more normal, okay. They should speak, connect with the people more normally, and people will anyhow know, because if you are well connected, people will anyhow know about you. So give a small projection and let it not turn into a deformity of your mind. Be plain, and one point of time you realize that you will attract very good people in your life and you can function very properly in your life. Your thoughts, your emotions should not control you. You should have a complete control of your thoughts and emotions. Otherwise, it will become a complex thing and it will control yourself. I hope you got the point, guys. This is Umakant, your life coach. I am connecting from this nice forest, a nice atmosphere here, and just having a beautiful time in this nice weather. So catch up in my next videos, wherein I will be talking about life and other important aspects of life. See you guys. Bye.